Good morning everyone. Today we will be looking at class 7 maths chapter 1 integers. Exercise 1.1 part 2. Part 1 already uploaded in the channel. We have to look the questions. Fifth question. Mohan deposit rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of the amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, if withdrawal is negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? It is a positive integer, right? So, the amount withdrawal is represented by a negative integer. Then, what will be the positive integer? The amount deposited. Next question. Find the balance in Mohan's account after withdrawal. So, the amount is rupees 2000, right? From that, they withdraw rupees 1642. So, you have to subtract it. So, how to subtract? Here 0 minus 2 is not possible, right? So, from here, you have to taken from here 1. So, this become 9 and this become 9 and this become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8, right? 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, which is the answer? Rupees 358. That is the answer. Balance amount in Mohan's account is rupees 358. Next question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to B. Here it is A and here it is B. Here is east. So, Rita traveled from A to B. How much kilometer? 20 kilometer. Okay, 20 kilometer. From point B, she moves 30 from B. This is the B point. From B, she moves 30 kilometer towards west. West is this side. Okay, so from here to here, 30 kilometer. So 20 means here and 10 more. So here it is 30. So this is 30 kilometer. And if the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, so from here this side, that is east side, is positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? So from this side, so we know that in a number line, from this is a center, 0 is the center, to the right it is positive integer, to the left it is negative integer. So which will be this? Towards the west it is negative integer. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? From A it is minus 10. So it is minus 10 only. The answer is minus 10. Next question. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check whether which the following is the magic square. So first we have to consider this this is a square, right? So from column wise you have to add and row wise you have to add and then you have to add diagonals only also. So we have to do the diagonals first because of 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3, that is the first diagonal. So it is minus 2 plus minus 3. Two negative integers adding, it is a negative integer. So it is minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. So one diagonal is 0. This diagonal is 0. And the next diagonal, it is minus 4, minus 2, 0. So this is a negative integer. Two negative integer we have to add. How to add? You have to add it and then put the sign of negative. So minus 6 plus 0, that is minus 6. So it is not the same. So it is not a magic square. This is not a magic square. Second question, can you do it? How to do? Column wise and row wise you have to add, and then diagonals also you have to add. First we have to do the diagonals. 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7. Minus 3 plus minus 7 is minus 10. 1 plus minus 10 means it is a positive integer and a negative integer. So we have to find the difference and we have to put the sign of the greater integer, that is this 10 is greater. So which is the sign? Minus sign. 10 minus 1 is 9, so it is minus 9 only. Next diagonal is minus 6 plus minus 3 plus 0. So it is minus 6 plus minus 3 means it is two negative integers. So we have to add it, minus 9 only. So the answers are same in the diagonal. Then we have to check whether the column and row wise are same. So 1 plus first column, 1 plus minus 4 plus minus 6. Minus 6 plus minus 4 is minus 10. Two negative integer you have to add and then put the sign of minus. So 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10 means it is a positive integer and a negative integer. So how to do? We have to find the difference, that is 10 minus 1 is 9, and put the greatest digit sign. So it is minus 9. That also correct. Then minus 10 minus 3, 4. Minus 10 plus minus 3 plus 4. Minus 10 plus minus 3 is minus 13. Plus 4 means you have to find the difference. 13 minus 4, that is 9. And put the sign of the greatest digit. Here it is 13 is the greatest digit. What is the sign of that? That is minus. So it is minus 9. Next 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7. So how to do? 0 plus minus 2 plus minus 7 means two negative integers. So you have to add 9. So then you have to put the sign of minus, that is minus 9. Then you have to add the row wise. 1 minus 10 plus 0. 1 minus 10 plus 0. So this is a positive integer, this is a negative integer. How to add? You have to find the difference. 10 minus 1 is 9. Then put the sign of the greatest integer. So it is minus 9. Next minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. So all are negative integers. So you have to add all the 3 and then put the sign of negative. So minus 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9. Here minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. Minus 6 plus 4 minus 7. Here minus 6 plus 4 means you have to find the difference, that is 2. Put the sign of the greatest one. This 6 is the greatest digit, so minus 2. Minus 2 minus 7. So two negative integers. So you have to add and then put the sign of minus. So it is minus 9. So all the answers are minus 9 in the column wise and row wise and diagonal wise. So this is a magic square. So second one is correct for the magic square. Next question. Verify a minus minus b equal to a plus b for the following values of a and b. So here they given A equal to 21 and B equal to 18. So we have to replace A and B like this. 21 minus 18, right? So this is 21 minus of minus means it is plus 21 plus 18. That is equal to 939. So 21 plus 18 is 39. That's also correct. Then next question 118 and 125. 125. 118 minus 1 minus of minus 125. So in this 118 minus of minus is plus 125. So it is 8 plus 5 is 13. 1 carry over. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. 243. So it is correct. 118 plus 125. Here LHS is 243 and RHS is 118 plus 125. That's also 243. So you have to verify that. Next question. A equal to 75 and B equal to 84. So you have to write 75 minus 84. So in this 75 plus 84, right? 75 minus of minus means it is plus. So 75 plus 84 is 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 plus 7 is 15. 159. This is LHS. And RHS is A plus B. A plus B, how to write? 75 plus 84. So it is 159. So LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Next question also, A equal to 28 and B equal to 11. How to write? 28 minus 11. That is, this is LHS. This side is LHS and this side is RHS. So, if LHS equal to RHS, we verified the equation. So, 28 minus 11 is 28 plus 11. That is equal to 39. RHS, which is RHS? A plus B. How to write? 28 plus 11. That is 39. LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Next question. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to. In the box, here there is a box to make the statement true. So we have to look what it is. Minus 8 plus minus 4. This is two negative integers. So you have to add them and put the sign of negative. So 8 plus 4 is 12 minus 12. Here it is minus 12. Here it is minus 8 minus of minus 4. Minus of minus means it is plus. So minus 8 plus 4. How to write? Here it is one negative integer and one positive integer. So you have to find the difference. 8 minus 4, that is 4 only. So after that you have to put the sign of the greater integer is 8. So which is the sign? Minus. So it is minus 4. So how to write? Is it greater than, less than or equal to? Minus 12 is less than. In the number line from 0, here it is minus 1, here it is minus 2. From here to here, it is smallest here. Left side, it is the smallest. So, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Like that. So, this is minus 12 is less than minus 4. Next, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Minus 3 plus 7. How to write? Here it is a negative integer and a positive integer. So you have to find the difference. Which is the difference? 7 minus 3 is 4. Which is the largest number? 7. So you have to put the sign of that, plus 4. Then minus 19. So this is a positive integer and this is a negative integer. So you have to find the difference. 19 minus 4, that is 15. Which is the largest digit? 19. Which is the sign of that? Minus. So it is minus 15. Here it is 15 minus 8 is 15 minus 8. 7. Right? 7. Plus minus 9. 7 plus minus 9 means this is a positive integer, this is a negative integer. So, negative, that is plus into minus is minus only. So, 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Minus 2. So, it is minus 15 here, minus 2 here. So, which is greater? Minus 2 is greater. So, you have to put the less than sign. And then next, 23 minus 41 plus 11. You have to write 23 plus 11 first. That is 34. 34 minus 41. 34 minus 41. How to write? Here it is a positive. This is positive and this is negative. So you have to find the difference. So it is a 7 and put the sign of the largest digit. So it is minus 7. So this is minus 7. Next one, 23 minus 41 minus 11. So 23, you have to write 23 minus 41 first. So it is, you have to find the difference, right? 41 minus 23, that is 18. So which is the largest digit? 41. So minus 18 minus 11. So it is minus 29, right? Minus 29. So minus 7 is greater than minus 29. So you have to put the sign of greater than here. And the next one, 39 plus minus 24 means plus of minus is minus only. So 39 minus 24, which is the answer? 5 here and then 1 here. So 15 is the answer. 15 minus 15 is 0. Then here 36 plus minus 52. Plus of minus is minus only. So 36 minus 52. So this is a positive integer, this is a negative integer. So you have to find the difference first. 52 minus 36, 16. After that you have to put the sign of largest number. So it is minus 16 minus minus of minus is plus 36. So 1 is plus and 1 is negative. So you have to find the difference. So 36 minus 16, that is 20 only. You have to put the sign of the greatest integer. So it is plus 20. So which is greater? This is greater. So less than sign. Next one, minus 231. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. How to write? You have to find the addition first. 79 plus 51, that is 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1. So it is a 6. 6 plus 7 is 130. Plus 130 and minus 231. So 1 is positive and 1 is negative. So you have to find the difference. 231 minus 130. So it is 1, 0, 1. And and you have to put the sign of the greatest. So it is minus 101. Next here. So you have to add this first. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, 1, 9. 9 plus 5 is 14, 4, 1, 240. 240. 399. So this is minus 399 and this is plus. So you have to find the difference. 399 minus 240. So 9, 5, 1. So minus, no, not minus, because this is which is the greater, yeah, greater one is 399. So you have to put the sign of the greatest integer. So minus 159. So which is the symbol? This is smaller. So this is greater. So greater than. This is the symbol. We will do the next questions in the next class. Thanks for watching.